Let's take a little bit of this and let's add a little bit of that. Of course, we could add a touch of this and some of this, and this could be fun. Let's, of course, add some food, and then let's add a whole bunch of this. What do you think you'd get? The 4th annual Cops and Kids, Rodders and More open house located at the Post Falls Police Department. For the last 4 years, the Post Falls Police Department staff has gotten together to create an open house, almost like a community party, with food being provided by local businesses and some pretty exciting treats made by some great individuals. The most exciting thing about this yearly event is that local car clubs and individuals come with their hot rods, as well as trucks and emergency vehicles that have been restored to an absolute pristine condition. There are dozens of different entries, and I'm sure that you will find one of your favorite kind of cars when you come next year. Also, there are prizes awarded in a variety of different categories, and we really appreciate the hard work that's done by the men and women to put on this part of the open house. Meanwhile, in the back of the building are some public safety demonstrations, as well as tours inside of the building and some activities for kids. One of the highlights of the event is the Emergency Vehicle Parade tribute to the first responders with the Post Falls Police Honor Guard. We hope you enjoy taking a brief look at the 2014 Post Falls Cops and Kids and Rodders and More open house. Set a date on your calendar for next year. It's August 22nd, 2015. We hope we'll see you here.